So one of the things that you can do if you have a store in Strikingly is go ahead and create out coupons so that you can share it with customers to increase out sales and make it attractive. So to do that, you can simply click on Manage Product, and then around over here on the left hand side, you can see the promotion section. So you can add in a coupon code. Let's say, for example, you can say something like learn with tutor right here, for example. And then you can set it to never expires, or you can go ahead and select an expiry date right here and apply the discount rate right here as well. So the condition is for all orders, or it can be for specific products, as you can see right here. You can go ahead and choose right here for photo editing class and so forth, and choose the number of product quantity right here as well. So it's not really let's say unlimited. So you can go ahead and do that and click on save, and then what happens is that you get this coupon. So if users were to use this when they check out, then what happens is that they will see that discount applied on their cart. So that is basically how you can go ahead and create out store coupons. You can go ahead and create as many as you want right here. So that is how you can go ahead and create out store coupons inside of Strikingly. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.